I'm Mohan P. Jacob from Northsuch Estate, Nilgiris, Tamil Nadu. This company consists of 356.25 hectares of landed tea, having 2 factories. We are having the dual manufacturing facility, that is orthodox processing as well as CTC. This is a company form of organization, and our tea plantation is divided into 4 divisions and 2 factories. That is our setup, and our annual volume of production is 7 lakh kg. Our company is a trustee certified organization. We brought this company under trustee certification in the year 2014 with the effect from 1st July. As the trustee certification code envisages giving trust for the safety of the workmen, safety of the produce, protection to the environment, and a sustainable operation. So it is governed by basic 11 principles, the commandments, 11 commandments to govern this trustee code. So right from the inception, company is having a proper managerial system to monitor it and to keep all the systems in place. As a result, this company over the years strictly in compliance with all norms of the thing, like safety of the, giving the maximum trust to the safety of the employees involved. So employees are given the adequate training to work in the safe environment, and they are all provided with the safety gadgets or PPE to ensure their safety. Like again, the usage of the chemical and other aspects also, it is strictly governed by the code applicable, and eco-friendly green label chemicals are maximum utilized, and from time to time the MRL level tests are conducted to ensure that the produce is absolutely safe. And with the proper monitoring and right technique of the spraying, the chemical load is brought down considerably. So that way, the safety of the produce is furthermore enriched. And as far as the factory operations are concerned also, under the strict trustee norms, workers are all working in a very, very clean environment. All aspects, like from the sanitation aspects, it is given a maximum thrust. Their personal hygiene aspect is fully covered up. Their respiratory protocols, their hand gloves, head covers, all safety aspects are fully taken care. So the produce coming from our factories are certainly a safe produce. The code envisages, and certainly the trustee code has brought in to help in improving the image of the tea within India as well as abroad, and further promotion what exactly the trustee and the safety of the produce can further enhance the market share of the tea also for Indian tea. Thank you.